Okay, Yaba Kotoko training grounds aha Adakujachi. Kotoko last game first run Ghana Premier League 2024-2025 season. Yankpon Yaduma Sunday omo any Vision FC and and the last training at Kotoko ahead of the game. Yenya Kotoko fans are on games ni bi say we share papa baako say that in patch first. Insia Adakwa. We patch over here training and Kotoko training no unhune say any day.
Oh, if you're a me ba.
Okay.
You're secretary chairman.
Okay.
If you're a beer,
Pacho, ever here for?
Our tech, I do as
okay.
56.
Okay. Pacho with my twasso.
And if you're a beer, me be or train.
All right.
Because if you're a beer, you meet it.
Okay.
There's a me be catch right.
Or mom coming. Yes, okay. Now, in the training, no, say.
And then maniaji. The Emma make us maniaji say. Unzo mukase players in Bibri prepra.
Sure.
Nti ama as I am shishia ho.
Okay.
So me be hu any training no. Eye. I beat me abobo.
Players now omo eye training and the unhu omo ho keka ne say ahon come the year training unhu ne say.
Now can I was ropa obi ani abre.
Kotoko eguso mo ye signings. Before CB Vision FC game, no more signers and an official communique about say Isaac Minta and so signing Diamakotoko. Na Kwame Poko di Kanya signs also and Branty friend Samson Eduku and so assign Kotoko signings the same.
Almost signing no na waya dear pa. I must say who ni supporters in movie.
Okay.
He was signing no signing and he jewum and crown soon. Be about betting abobo.
And I intent me my training grounds, but Samson Eduku around. Yashena from say or started training with Kotoko. And the training or sounds why we be say Ebian Kupon Yaduma Sunday obetime sia kind de Kotoko. When say coach no on funny shame sia.
Me say training na obey no. Anoding into a dinner a boy
Chum a goalkeeper Kotoko assigning no from Young Apostles. And now we are training with Kotoko team no. Now or that Emma we can the bench side no. The performance essay about the goalkeeping side now. The saying.
Ono so yade. O yade ne bora wa chichire no. Mani agi. Nti nyina be boy. Be boy Kotoko pa.
Kotoko Vision. Eno Ghana Premier League 2024-2025. The first round no. Last game omo kwakobo. Game no muhune se mo fa win and a draw because
you for win say here draw bi mu
omo coach ne kasa o
so mbeka sa ya beje points na from him
it's more for win Sunday more for win Sunday moji Ghana Premier League
ne beje
moji
FA Cup no so aka
moji 2
ya jini mi enu nyina ya bro
akwa Africa
ya ni abre papa.
So yes, coach chairman. I did some now catch Kotoko fans on more show.
Maybe make a show man say empire boss say the empire boss.
Okay.
Because training no move pra. So and the here say be empire ma players no. Na pra no. Afiri ho. Ame ho atoy. But
you would in him.
Your friend me Insia Adakwa.
Na watch circle 56. Okay. I do say. Me da say pan chairman. Yegusu ene Kotoko fans no 18 komo ewo Adako Jaje ene training enso akoso ahead of Vision FC game menyam papa baako enso ewa asiam ne bedi komo daddy mpache fa say
from Isaac
Kunadu Dankwa me pache ofin fa ne ba
me
ejoso heya okay nyankopon ya aduma Sunday Kotoko money Vision FC mo kwakobo ewo first round ewo Ghana Premier League 2024-2025 season wo hwe ene training na uba ebehwe bi no performance players no done it no muko win game no
yo medasi emeni je pa na training ground in fact players ni nyina ho beka no eda so nko
okay
elim se nyankupo ya aduma ichina ye behwe Vision FC
munya win against Vision
ye behwe
mo je leg no
nyame ya aduma kwan bia so you need us also leg ne there
money had to focus the same points omugusu to set or say aba or had to focus most more to and still most be win leg no
ni nyina ye training na ye professor ugum
Okay.
Or the man players no.
Yes.
And a better. Because over training ground now share a hockey can a players no a war. Now said you must see a ball now. Many Bibia interested league the Yamfa. You need us for selling
Kotoko signings. Isaac Mintaba, Samson Eduku, and so around. Chum and so about where you goalkeeper. Sanso and a players need be Igusua or more trials. Our Kotoko training grounds, I say. Once a signings are Kotoko and a bit team in a pa.
Because you share forward now and attackers now, born or more born. Many yes, uncle. And you need us all players no, or can be also. The signings no, yeah.
And also one Mahasin them, but Kotoko trainer be kakra. Player bene impressive. Who was the performance now was ropa. Whenever you always be your best starting game.
And Dukuna, a goalkeeper ya new one Yasan
Chum, okay.
Chum a very good Omina Meniajum performance.
Okay. But that's a board in view.
Your family Isaac Kunadu Danko.
Isaac Kunadu Danko.
Nanyami Yaduma a Sunday so Mr. supporters no.
Okay.
Dodona Amra Stadium, Yametai supporters players
Nechi.
Na Yamfan Kunidio no, Emra team no.
Medasi. Yamisha pa. Yegusu ewo adako jache ha ana krobia kumase asante kotoko eye omo training. Menya kotoko fan ba ko oba ebehwe kotoko training. Omo last training ahead of Vision FC Gamer and so ebekoso on Sunday. Chairman me pa chef Rosen. Benjamin pachu be pija voice nim kakra e dia mayen. Obehwe kotoko training and kotoko performance our training grounds and who they saying.
Oh, in a performance no was from senior players no. I don't know how to say it, but okay, the answers of shit.
That was with the casa.
Okay. Oh, when that on performance no, then I was room. We share players need be a honky car na.
I was true. New players are bem. Kwame Poku. Any Kotoko team no a training chair. Kwame Poku about 3 games. When you are not kakra ene or training the Kotoko. Performance our done a D and a day. I impress him.
Oh, we impress you because we have matches our head training our yeah. It means next game no. Wait me I be Kotoko.
And the Samson Eduku training. Kotoko training grounds. Kotoko assign no. Coach a born behind the striker. And the war na Abrantie no ebo the game no. When say the style of play no ebe siwiti Kotoko. Ebe bo Kotoko team.
Because in the training no more na ahonkika no osro.
Okay.
Ebe bo Kotoko team.
And the train now by why your best player will train on by because in the Kotoko players no we will say be a get on hopa or training grounds. Why and or your best player and training grounds.
Or made a net so far make us say Baba Yaya
your best. And why nanka wo hwe senka onfa modern boni bin ka ne modern boy or done it because we are player be the performance akofo we are chance nessa na hu no but in performance na akofo player be na hu ne senka unya yanka onfa de fufuro bin ka the wa or boni ball ne
like I say Emmanuel
Entry. Okay.
Training as a first of all, so then as a serious
I cannot honor.
But as a
Sinka unya yanka Emmanuel Entry mpija ne modern bonim.
Because a senior player in born.
Okay. And na man for bo Baba Yaya abaso. Said on so can say Baba Yaya and who say no your best player and a day no. A dinner who Baba Yaya who am when he as Kotoko fan.
Hey, the confidence no, nenchi, the pass. Then only player crack as a car no. Impress me.
And then maybe more can efa Kotoko. Omo players no say omo ti omo ho ase. Ebi ma na account. I don't know who the same thing.
na meka no the way ɔmo kasa ne deɛ ɛyɛ normal.
Okay.
Ɔmo te ɔmo ho ase na ɔmo bɔ bɔɔl no.
Okay.
Ɛne deɛ mɛma ɔmo 100%.
Okay.
Ɔmo te ɔmo ho ase.
Kotoko any vision Sunday. Mo winning.
Hey, yɛ wini life. Yɛ wini. Where yɛ bɔ mbɛ 3-0. Yɛ ma ɔmo nhyɛ bi kra.
3-0.
3-0. Yɛ ma ɔmo nhyɛ bi.
Ɛwɔ ha sei.
Hey, yɛ ma ɔmo nhyɛ bi kra.
Oba be game ni bi.
Baba be game ni bi.
Okay, major number Kotoko share 3 a meba ho na me do ase da bro.
Oh, 3-0. 3-0.
Within the same.
If I'm a Ben.
Ben. Me da say say onso nya mre na oni edi nkomo.
Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?